Welcome back to 7-Minute Options on Wednesday, October 6th. All right, let's see if there's anything worth opening. Liquid symbols, if I look at IVR, that's YVR. Liquid Media Group, not interested. BABA, I'm staying away from Chinese stocks. PTRA, Proterra. Yeah, these are some earnings coming up. Let's look at earnings, see if there's any earnings coming up. Yeah, nothing. Let's see. 10.6 STZ. Looking for something high IVR. LW on October 7th. Lamb Weston. Fairly big drop. Let's see. 9 days away. Yeah, these are very wide strikes. Not sure I'm going to get much out of this one. Nope, nothing there. What else? Fastenal. 49 IVR, really? For a company that sells fasteners and hardware. Again, strikes are fairly far apart at 2.5. Not a lot of money in there. So yeah, I don't see any really good juicy earnings coming up in the next few days. So we'll leave it at that. Anything in terms of liquid ETFs. Let's take a quick look there. DIA, 35 IVR for the Dow Jones. I like to open up iron condors 45 days out. What I like to do for these is if I take a look at the chart and I see that it's been fairly range bound. Actually, I still have these lines on from a previous position, but I don't have anything in DIA at the moment. And IVR is 35. It's pretty good. So if I go out to November, if I do my usual 20 delta, $5 wide, both of those have a lot of open interest. And I do my 20 delta on the upside, $5 wide. Okay, not a lot of interest there. And maybe I'll go here. So that's $5. I get 181 credit because I'm going to 27 delta on the upside. So where does that leave me? 355 and 320. So 355. Let's look at where this one is. If I move this to 355, that's where that one is. And 320. Is down there. Yeah, so you can see the blue line is closer to where the stock price is because that's 27 delta. This is a 20 delta. There's probably a little bit of a put skew in there, which is the 20 delta is farther away anyway. But yeah, this line has been kind of like the upper limit for a long time, right? The DIA kind of kissed this line back in August and has retreated from it since. So, can this thing hold this position for the next 30 days? Can it stay in between these two lines? Probably. Can I move this to any other $5 range that's a bit farther away? I don't mind taking less credit if let's see. Yeah, there's not a lot of open interest up here. So that's pretty much where it can be. Okay, maybe I'll keep that one open for now. EEM, 49 IVR. This might be a better one. Let's see, emerging markets. All right. 44 days away. What do we got here? This one, let's see if I can do a strangle. So if I do the 20 delta, 20 delta, 16, 25, let's go 25 delta. $100 in credit. What if I go to the 25 delta here? 117 in credit. That's 47 and 52. Where would that leave me? Do I have a position in EM at the moment? I don't believe so. All right. So, what did I say? 47 and 52. Oh, that is 52. Wow. All right, that's 52. Let's move that down there. This is 47. So that's what it would look like if it's 47 and 52. Right now we're right in the middle, right? And for most of the time this year, it's been well above this line. So this could just be the recent challenges in China. I don't feel very comfortable selling this. I mean, this could very easily rebound. I mean, this rebounded off this valuation a few times, um, most recently in August and also back in July. So I don't feel all that good. Even though the IVR is high, I don't feel very good about selling this strangle. What else? FXI, we already have a position in FXI. XLU, yeah, utilities. That's a huge down move there. That makes me a bit nervous. If this starts to rebound or something, that can be a big movement in a relatively short period of time. So nothing here that really catches my eye. All right, oil. Look at oil taking off. Right now, if you believe in the oil shortages and you think oil is going to keep going up higher, right now RSI is really high on oil. Then maybe this is the one to sell. Let's see what kind of position is going to get 44 days. If I don't think this is going above 60, let's see. I can sell a $60 call, $5,000 buying power, and a 65. So 60-65 credit spread. Pick up only $44. Not terribly good. I mean, that's already a 22 delta. And this thing is just a rocket heading into the holidays. Do I want to sell a put spread on it? Maybe not. Let's see. It's outside the expected move. Again, you're getting 60s, 50s, 80s. 25 delta, you get $100. It's 50. Now, usually when something's this extended, yeah, no, not touching this one. Yeah, the RSI is very high. It can have a quick move either way. I'm not touching it. Not touching it. All right, so maybe I'll go back to DIA. That wasn't too bad. So let's look up DIA. There's our position still open. So we got the 27 delta here. We got the 19 delta on the downside. Let's see, and the RSI is in the middle. It's been going sideways for about 6 days. Yeah, let's do it. Let's see. We got $183 in credit, $317 of buying power. We're going to get 2 theta for it. Let's do it. Let's give that a second to fill and see where we get with it. 183, 182. Come on. All right. I just want to get this thing filled so I can go get my lunch. Still not filling at 181. What the heck? Come on. Not filling at 180. Really? Not filling at 180? Really? On a highly liquid thing? You know, that's annoying. All right, I'm going to leave it at 180. If it gets filled, great. If it doesn't, then I won't have to open it today. That's perfectly okay. Oh, another good one. Let's look at IWM. I've been having a lot of luck with IWM this year. Same thing. I like to go to 44, 45 days out. Same thing. 20 delta, $5 wide. Fairly good interest in both. And 20 delta, $5 wide. 162 in credit. Let's do it. I like this one a lot better. All right. Yeah, IWM has been going sideways. That's exactly the kind of position we want. let that go sideways. And actually, I'm going to cancel this one. I don't want to go too low on my buying power. So, because remember, the buying power goes away as soon as you put the order in. So, yeah, there you go. 2,100. So I'm still at $2,000 buying power. That includes the IWM position. And I got to do the same trick here. I got to lower it. I just want to get this thing filled. It's amazing. You know, the SoFi positions were getting filled instantly. And these IWM ones, I got 1,700 people there in that position, 6,000 in this one. They're fairly narrow, 3-cent wide market, 2-cent wide. There we go. Good. Okay. And for these positions, I like to go 50%. So I'm just going to do that right away for IWM. I'm going to go 50%. So I got 160. That's perfect. So put in the GTC order. And let me buy that back for $76. And that's it. Keep that on there. And that's it for today. I know, a bit of a rambling video, not a whole lot of stuff out there that I could find. But again, I want to keep an eye on my buying power. I don't want to open too many more positions at this point. And yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, thanks. Bye.